Any student who completes their studies from the university, they are globally competitive, completely skill based and readily acceptable by the premier corporate companies. On the top of it, the kind of the confidence that will be instilled in the women that who get graduated or post-graduated from our university, they can have their own startups, they can be readily the entrepreneurs, and they will be globally accepted by the kind of the teaching pedagogy we have got.
We at School of Engineering and Technology are determined to offer the quality education to the students. Our BTech, CSE and ECE programs are ABET accredited. We are exposing our students for the international exposure also. Our students goes for exchange programs and summer internship at USA, Canada, Switzerland, and France and many other places also. We are also exposing our students through the professional bodies, and we are having chapters of IEEE, IET, Computer Society of India, Society for Women Engineers, and we are also having the International Club for developing the entrepreneurship skills, that is called as Enactus.
The main USP of our UG and PG program are typically based on the classroom learning which we provide to our students, and along with the hands-on practical training in the labs. Overall, I'll say that we provide a very encouraging, very welcoming, very warming atmosphere for undergraduate and postgraduate program at School of Sciences and Liberal Arts, and I believe that any student who would study here probably will do wonders in days to come.
When law faculty was opened in this university, Modi ji had a big dream for that. It must be one of the best in India, or what to talk of India, and best in the world as well. Various awards have been won by our students nationally and internationally. You can just imagine our university has won the best Mooter Award in the year 2017 in an international moot court competition. We are working on that. We must maintain higher standards of education as well as touch all the new aspects, innovative ideas of law.
Women leadership in corporates has got a direct linkage to financial performance of corporates, and this is something which is today well established by international consulting firms like McKinsey and all. Modi University School of Business has been working on women leadership for a long number of years, and currently it is taking it one step further by introducing certain specific subjects as part of its course curricula, which prepares a student specifically for this kind of new opportunities which are coming up in the corporate sector. The students are prepared not only to be ready for the leadership opportunities which are available in the corporates today, but they are also well trained that how to really compete in a business world which is dominated by the men.
We impart holistic education, that too with a difference, with the earnest belief that architecture and design should be taught in totality. We orient students towards design by making learning experience more effective, happening and vibrant.
School of Fashion and Design, established 2014-15, we committed to students to develop according to global market of fashion designing and demand of the current consumers according to trend of fashion. SOFD have well-equipped labs, advanced software, advanced research methodology in statistical application of the research in fashion design field. We have well-qualified faculty members with industry exposure and research experience.
Positive wave of women empowerment that is on rise, it has become critical to empower our young women with the right set of skills for the future. As the future demands, SOV, self-assured leaders, School of Etiquette and Finishing Skills come into picture, where international cultures amalgamate and social etiquette and protocol makes the foundation of learning.
The confidence of the parents with respect to the safety of the students in our campus is very, very high. The security systems at the campus are very strong. Without proper verification, nobody can enter the campus. The security functions are in charge of the colonels, retired military officials. For the students, once they are happy, safe, their concentration for their studies is given.